Methi Dal is one of those timeless comfort food that never gets old. It's a perfect mix of creamy red dal and the unique slightly bitter kick of fresh fenugreek leaves, both nourishing and satisfying. Start by rinsing a good amount of red masoor dal until the water runs clear. Soak the dal in water for about 20 minutes to soften it up. Once soaked, toss the dal in your fish cooker along with a pinch of turmeric for the gorgeous golden color and a drizzle of refined oil. This oil will help the dal from spattering when it whistles away. Secure the lid and pressure cook until you hear 2 to 3 whistles. Next, we will make the tempering, which is really the soul of the dish. Heat some oil in a kadhai or a deep pan, then add a dash of cumin seeds and mustard seeds. 2 dried red chilies along with split fresh chilies for extra heat. A handful of curry leaves for the flavor, a pinch of hing, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic which are roughly chopped. Fry these until the garlic turns lovely golden brown. The aroma should instantly lift your mood. Next, toss in roughly chopped onions. Fry it until it turns translucent. This step helps bring out subtle sweetness that perfectly balances the spices. Now, add some Kashmiri chili powder, a little more turmeric powder to give the dal its signature vibrant color. Let the spices fry on a low flame for about 2 minutes so their raw flavors mellow out. Then add generous handful of roughly chopped and washed methi leaves into the mix. Fry them just until they begin to wilt. This not only softens their natural bitterness but also releases a beautiful herby flavor that ties the dish together. Bring it all together by adding your perfectly cooked dal to the spice tempering. Give everything a good stir and bring the mixture to a gentle boil so all the flavors can melt together nicely. Then season with salt to taste. Give it a stir and just before serving, turn off the heat and add some freshly squeezed lemon juice. The final burst of tang really brightens up the dish and adds the extra layer of flavor. Serve this comforting methi dal with a side of fluffy white rice. Thank you for watching and until next time, happy cooking!